the enrolled agent course actually worth it in 2026? Or is it just another course being hyped on YouTube and Instagram? Can you genuinely get a US taxation job while sitting in India? And the salaries people keep talking about, are they real or completely exaggerated? Today, I am going to give you the honest answer. No sugarcoating and no unrealistic promises. Watch until the end because this is the only video that could help you decide whether enrolled agent is the right career for you. Enrolled agent, real opportunity or hype? Hey, hi. I am Naveen here. I am the founder of iProledge. At iProledge, we just don't believe in selling courses through fake promises, but we believe in genuinely helping students understand the real career opportunity before making a decision. So let's understand what enrolled agent really is. The market opportunity. Here is a number that may surprise you. There are only around 3,600 enrolled agents in India. Now compare that with the United States, where more than 150 million tax returns are processed every year. Think about that. A very small number of qualified professionals in India are serving an extremely large and recurring taxation market. At the same time, more US accounting and taxation firms are outsourcing work to India because Indian professionals are skilled, cost-effective, and capable of handling global financial processes. That creates a genuine skill gap. And wherever there is a skill gap, there is usually a strong career opportunity. What is an enrolled agent? So you may have a question, what exactly is an enrolled agent? An enrolled agent, commonly called as an EA, is a federally authorized tax professional in United States. The credential is issued by the Internal Revenue Service, or you can simply call it as IRS. An EA can prepare US tax returns, advise clients on taxation matters, and represent taxpayers before the IRS. Unlike other professional courses which are limited to a particular state, EA is recognized across United States. This makes it a highly specialized qualification for anyone who wants to build a career in US taxation. So the very next question is, who is eligible? One of the biggest advantage of the enrolled agent course is its accessibility. You need not be a chartered accountant. You don't need a specific commerce degree. Students who have completed class 12 can begin preparing for this particular qualification. It can be considered by CA, CMA, CS and ACCA students, BCom and BBA graduates, finance professionals and even working professionals who are planning for a career shift. Your educational background may help, but your commitment to learning US taxation is what matters the most. Exam structure and duration. The examination is actually called the Special Enrollment Examination, or you can simply call it as SEE. It contains 3 parts. Part 1 actually covers individual taxation, and Part 2 covers business taxation, and Part 3 covers representation, practices and procedures. The examinations are primarily multiple choice based and candidates receive their results quickly after completing the test. Now you may have heard people saying that EA can be completed in 3 or 4 months. Technically, some students may complete it quickly, but realistically, if you want proper conceptual knowledge, examination preparation and practical skills, you should plan for approximately 8 to 10 months, because simply passing the examination is not enough. You must also become employable. Even that matters for you as well as for us. All this is fine. How much should I spend? That will be your very clear question. Now let's talk about the investment. The examination fee is paid separately for each part directly through the official examination process. Apart from examination fees, students may also need to consider registration expenses, study materials, and professional training. Depending on the training provider and preparation method, the overall investment may be approximately 1.5 lakh rupees to 1.8 lakhs. It is important to verify the latest official examination and registration fees before applying, because these amounts may anytime change. Compared with many international qualifications, however, EA can still offer a relatively focused route into a specialized global career. So, what exactly are the job roles and what would be the possible salary that I would get? Where can an enrolled agent work? Let's try to figure it out. EA, these qualified professionals can explore opportunities with big four firms, accounting companies, taxation consultancy companies, global capability centers, and US taxation service providers. Some common roles include US tax associate, tax analyst, tax consultant, tax preparer, and tax compliance specialist. Now let's discuss salary honestly. A fresher entering the US taxation industry in India may earn somewhere around 5 to 6 lakhs per annum. This is just a start. You should not expect 15 to 20 lakhs just before you complete a small 3-paper examination. Not a good sign. AI and career stability. Another common question is, will artificial intelligence replace taxation jobs? AI will certainly automate repetitive tasks, but taxation also involves legal interpretation, professional judgment, client communication, compliance decisions, and speaking before tax authorities. Qualified professionals who understand both tax and tech will continue to remain valuable forever. Tax compliance is also a recurring requirement. Individuals and businesses must file and manage their taxes every year. That creates consistent demand for trained taxation professionals. So instead of calling EA completely AI proof, it is more accurate to say that professionals with a strong taxation knowledge, practical skills, and technology awareness will be better positioned for the future. Okay, convinced, agreed. But now, why iProledge? At iProledge, our object is just not to help students to prepare for the EA examination. We focus on structured examination preparation, practitioner-led sessions, practical case studies, resume and LinkedIn profile building, mock interviews, and career assistance. We help students understand how taxation actually works, and we do provide them a practical exposure for the same. So, is enrolled agent real or just hype? The opportunity is real, but it only works for students who are prepared to study consistently, develop practical skills, and build genuine expertise in US taxation. If you would like to receive the complete EA course structure, fee details, eligibility information, and upcoming batch dates, then connect with us for the below provided number. That would help you to get a detailed information from our iProledge team. This is iProledge. I'll see you in the next video. Signing off, Naveen DJ.